Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace, perfect for notes, tasks, and project management. It's cloud-based and designed for collaboration. Obsidian, on the other hand, is a powerful, local-first knowledge base, utilizing plain markdown files. It prioritizes privacy and offers robust offline access, making it ideal for personal knowledge management. We'll explore these fundamental differences. Notion truly shines with its structured data capabilities, like databases and its block-based editor, making it excellent for team collaboration and project tracking. Obsidian, conversely, excels in creating interconnected notes, visualized through its unique graph view, and is highly extensible with hundreds of community plugins. Notion is best for shared workspaces and wikis, while Obsidian is perfect for deep personal research and writing. Customization is key for both. Notion offers extensive templates, integrations, and API access, allowing users to tailor their workspaces for various needs. Obsidian boasts an even deeper level of personalization through its vast plugin ecosystem, custom CSS, and community-developed themes, enabling users to craft highly specific workflows. Notion's flexibility is often built in, while Obsidian's is community-driven and highly extensible. Regarding accessibility and cost, Notion provides a generous free personal plan and offers paid tiers for teams, unlocking more advanced features. Obsidian's core application is free to use, with optional paid add-ons for services like sync and publishing. Notion is available across web, desktop, and mobile, requiring an internet connection. Obsidian also supports desktop and mobile, with local files ensuring full offline functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.